Hey guys, welcome to TechWeb. In this video, we're going to be studying about impact effort matrix to help you with prioritization as a product manager. Before I jump into the video, we'll be taking a real example in order to see how impact effort matrix is used by product managers to prioritize features, products, or initiatives. Let's get started. So impact effort matrix or value effort matrix allows you to prioritize your items in the product roadmap and bring everyone in the team on the same page with respect to the build priority of features, product, or initiatives. This matrix takes into consideration two important things: value and effort. The value or impact can either be quantitative or qualitative. The impact can either be user acquisition, revenue, or user experience, which can then be quantified into number of signups, number of conversions, etc. etc. While effort will be the amount of time that your team will take in order to build this specific feature. Both impact and effort will be classified into high effort or low effort, or high impact or low impact. This is how the impact effort matrix looks like. So there are four broad quadrants: one, low effort and high impact; second, high effort, high impact; third, low effort, low impact; fourth, high effort, low impact. Let's look at each of these. Low effort, high impact. These are the things that you should absolutely have in the product and you should pick up immediately, and hence are the things that should be prioritized first. They take very little effort in order to build but bring huge impact on the product. High effort, high impact. There may be certain things that might be non-negotiable in the product. While they may have high impact, they also require high amount of effort. These are the things that you can pick up next in the product. These may be things like security updates or making UI more intuitive, etc. etc. Low effort, low impact. These ideas won't take a lot of effort but may also not lead to a huge impact. You may want to keep these items in the back burner and pick this up once your tech team has some bandwidth in order to do some experimentation. Finally, high effort and low impact. These items are not worth anyone's time. These features might have seemed great at first, but post you take feedback may not seem so attractive. Ensure that your team isn't wasting time in order to build these products or features. Now let's understand how to use impact effort matrix. So let's look at a real example of impact versus effort matrix. Now what I've taken is a list of 10 features that I'd want to build for the product, and all of these features refer to one sign up journey of the user per se. So for perspective, build customer journey, build a sign up form, build backend to store data, build front end for login, build front end for sign up, build login form, etc. etc. Now what I've done is I've categorized each of these in impact and effort. So building customer journey will have higher impact but will have low effort, meaning I can create a wireframe first before actually building the product, which is why you can see that we have to do this now. So if you look at the final column here, effort versus impact, you can see this is now. Then to build a sign up form, it'll take high impact and low effort. So this is also something we should do immediately. Build backend to store customer data. This will take high impact and high effort, but we'll have to do it anyways. So this will be next. Build front end for login. Again, high impact and high effort, but we have to do it next. Front end for sign up, high impact, high effort, we'll have to do it next. Build login form will be high impact but low effort, so we have to do it now. Then build an API to validate customer credentials, high impact, high effort, we do it next. Build a UI for sign up, low impact, low effort, and we do it later. Build a UI for login, low effort. So if this is a B2B product, UI may not make a huge difference, which is why we can do it later. But if this is a B2C product, we have to either do it next or now. Then finally, adding a widget for tooltip is low impact and it's going to take high effort, so we should not pick it up immediately. So this is an example. Now if I were to track each of these on the impact effort matrix, this is how it would look. So 1 to 6 is something that I'd want to do immediately. 3, 4, 5, 7 is something that I'd want to do next. 8 and 9 I want to do later. 10 I'd never want. And that is pretty much everything you need to know about impact effort matrix. I hope this video was helpful. Check out other product management frameworks like Rise, Moscow, etc. etc. You can find them in the description. But if you like this video, consider subscribing to the channel, dropping a like to this video. I'll see you in the next one.